The AR-SkyStrike FPV drone tactical training system is an immersive drone tactical training solution designed for military and security applications. It supports multiple training needs, including basic training, individual operator training, and coordinated multi-drone missions. Fully compatible with Chinese-developed operating systems, including Kylin OS and Deepin OS, the system is integrated into a ruggedized deployment case, enabling direct operation in field environments with rapid setup capability. Powered by high-precision simulated FPV drones, the system enables single-operator breakthroughs on multi-drone cooperative missions, comprehensively enhancing unit-level tactical competence across all scenarios as well as rapid response capabilities. Built around immersive interaction, the system is powered by FPV flight goggles for a fully engaging training experience. It enables seamless perspective switching and precise target locking for enhanced situational awareness. The system delivers highly realistic flight dynamics with smooth, accurate, and responsive control feedback. Designed with combat-oriented mission scenarios, it supports flexible switching between multiple drone payload types. A wide range of complex weather conditions is realistically simulated to replicate real-world operational environments. Real-world maps can be imported with a single click to quickly build mission scenarios. Focused on real operational demands, the system strengthens operators' environmental adaptability and tactical decision-making capabilities. From basic racing to advanced racing, the system helps pilots progressively improve flight skills and control precision. It strictly benchmarks professional racing standards and fully replicates standard competition environments, including underground tunnels, defensive barriers, collapsed ruins, breaches, and dense field forests. These scenarios are designed to train low-altitude penetration and maneuvering capabilities in complex environments. For individual combat training scenarios, the system accurately recreates professional-grade operational fields. Each environment includes 11 categories and a total of 25 real-world tactical targets, such as guard posts, patrol vehicles, concealed firing points, countermeasure equipment, and communication facilities. It supports dynamic target recognition, infrared reconnaissance, and damage assessment. Equipped with an AI-NPC system, it can autonomously perform reconnaissance, harassment, and counterattack behaviors. Training environments cover typical tactical settings such as military airports, ruined cities, radar bases, and command centers. The system supports collaborative training with 2 to 10 devices, enabling multiplayer operational rooms with cooperative, competitive, elimination, and solo modes. It generates randomized mission objectives and counteractions to facilitate tactical coordination, role assignment, and joint strike operations. A comprehensive spectator mode and command situation map allow instructors to monitor in real time, evaluate from a full perspective, and conduct in-depth multi-role tactical assessment, supporting instruction, drills, and after-action review. The AR-SkyStrike FPV drone tactical training system redefines battlefield perception through an immersive FPV perspective, empowering real-world tactical simulation and operational rehearsal through a high-fidelity training platform.